Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to start with the September's love reading for all the signs, and I'm going to start with Pisces. Let's see what's happening in their life and how is September going to be for them in the month of in regards to their love life. It is a general love reading, so it will not resonate with everyone. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. And yeah, let's start. Let's see how is September going to be for Pisces regards to their love life. How is September going to be? Okay, the first card is Seven of Coins. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with an earth sign. How is the month of September going to be for the Pisces? Okay, Death. How is the month of September going to be? The Moon. Scorpio energy, Pisces energy. How is the month of, okay, Two of Coins, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. How is the month of September? Six of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And the bottom of the deck is Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, Pisces. As far as I'm seeing this, your person looks into a transformative state, not showing their feelings, hiding, masking their feelings, but in the, like, they are showing you as if they don't care, they don't want to be with you, they don't want to take things further, but I think they are just masking their feelings. They truly want you. Not just you, they are even not being true to themselves, because they know they want you. They know they want stability with you. They want to marry you. They want to take things further with you. But the thing is, the person you're dealing with are masking their feelings. Maybe their focus is on the other things like their career, their money, their finances, their job, whatever they are doing. They are masking their feelings. Like, I'm definitely seeing this person loves you, they like you a lot, they want stability with you, they see you as their potential partner. This is the overall energy of the reading. They want stability with you, okay, marrying you, taking this relationship to the next level. But the thing is, in the month of September, they are going to be busy. They are going to focus on their stability. They are going to focus on their finances, their career, their whatever they are doing. Like, it can be anything, okay, maybe their family, but they are definitely masking their feelings in the month of September. But when they will be alone, all alone in their room at night, they will be like this, thinking, overthinking about you, missing you, wanting to take steps, but you know, they will be kind of helpless in the month of September. In depression, sadness, because they will not listen to their heart. They will listen to their brain. They want you. Their heart says that they want you. But the thing is, their brain will be, you know, like going in the opposite direction. And this is what will be hurting them in the end too, because they are not being true. They're not being, they're not following their intuition, their heart. They are following their brain, and they are also hurting themselves in this process, okay. They're not happy without you, but because of the fact that they are masking their feelings just to focus on the other areas of their life. This is the whole, you know, theme of the reading for Pisces in the month of September, okay. Maybe they are on crossroads where on one side it is you, their love, and on the other side there is another situation. I'm not saying it is a romantic situation. It can be for some of them, like they might be dealing with someone else for some of you, okay. But majority of you, they have to you know, like, this person is more focused on their career, their finances, and that is the whole problem here. They can balance two things together, and that they are not realizing that. Yeah, they want stability with you. Look, Four of Wands, they want stability, wanting to build a family with you. Their intentions are very genuine, but the way they are, like the way they are showing their feelings is totally opposite. They might be showing you as if they don't care, they don't want you in the first place. Okay, let's clarify some cards. What is the Seven of Coins about for Pisces, for the Pisces person's feelings? What is the Seven of Coins about? Okay, Strength and Knight of Cups. I think this person doesn't have much to offer right now. They are in this Knight's energy. Knight doesn't have anything much to offer, but they want to. But I think they don't have the, they don't have strength. They don't have courage to face you now in this situation. They don't know how to face you now. That is why they will be coming up. They will be coming to you in the month of September. Okay, for many of you, but they will be coming with a minimal offer. They don't have much to offer to you. With this Knight energy, they don't have much to offer you. Okay, so that is the whole thing. What is this Death card about? They are definitely on this transformative phase of their life where they have many things on their plate. Their finances, their career, their job, their family, and you are sidelined. Like they have sidelined you out of their life. What is this Death card for Pisces person? What is this Death card for Pisces person? One card for Pisces person. Death. Okay. So we have the Devil clarifying the Death card. I told you they are in this negative thought process where they don't know, they have no idea what to do, they have no idea where to go, which way to go, and something is holding them back. Probably their own mindset that they have created about this connection. Okay, they have to really come out of that mindset. You're definitely dealing with a Capricorn. For many of you, you're dealing with a Capricorn, and the whole scenario is just changing for both of you. From whole scenario of your love life is really changing. Like there are drastic changes in your love life. For many of you, it's a new start. They just have to come out of this negative mindset. Okay, what is this Moon card about? What is this Moon card for Pisces person? What are they hiding? What is this energy about Pisces person? Okay, Ten of Swords. Definitely they are under some sort of pressure. Maybe they are younger to you and they have to get their things sorted. They have to be stable, they have to earn, they have to get a job for them to come forward and offer you a stable relationship. And that is the whole thing. They are under a lot of burden, under a lot of pressure. What is this Two of Coins about for Pisces person? Okay, we have two cards. First is the Three of Cups. Okay, so for many of you, it is a third party situation. Confirming this Three of Cups is clarifying Two of Coins, and definitely for many of you, they are stuck with a very toxic person here. Maybe an ex who was, very clingy. She has a lot of hold onto your person. So that is why she is not leaving. See, Six of Swords, for many of you, they are cheating you. They are with someone else and they are juggling you and that person. That is causing the whole distress over here. What is the Six of Swords about? Six of Swords has come up twice in the reading. That is clarifying that this person is definitely with someone else. Ace of Pentacles, clarifying the Six of Swords. I think they will choose you over anyone else. They will come up with the decision that they want you. They can not have anyone except you. Okay, they will come up with a decision very soon for many of you. What is this Four of Swords about for Pisces person? What is this Four of Temperance? I think they are not happy. They are not happy without you and they want balance and equal give and take of this into this relationship. And the next card is the High Priestess. Highly attracted to you, your wisdom, the level of maturity you hold, the level of understanding you both hold. They don't get anywhere. Okay, not with their ex, not with anyone else. They don't get it anywhere. Let's see what are your energies like. Let's see your feelings in the month of September, Pisces. Four of Coins. I think you're protecting yourself, you're guarding yourself. This person hurt you a lot and you are really guarding your energies now. You don't want to get hurt, you don't want to get manipulated, used. You will be very guarding your energies. Okay. Eight of Coins. I think you are also investing in your career, your life. You don't want to invest into this relationship as much. I think you have already in the past and you did not get anything. What more do we have? You're focusing more on yourself now. Yeah, Nine of Swords, you're hurt. You did not get in whatever you were expecting, you did not get it with this person. The bottom of deck is Ten of Coins. You want someone who is stable, who is not in and out of your life, who is consistent with you. Okay, and you will be exactly getting it. What advice do we have for Pisces? What advice do we have for Pisces? What advice do we have for Pisces for the month of September? What advice do we have for Pisces? New moon eclipse, expect powerful change. Change is coming for you. Okay, it can be in any aspect of your life. Just be ready for the new change, powerful change. It is going to be a very powerful change. What more do we have for Pisces? Okay, waxing crescent moon, have faith in your dreams. Maybe you are dreaming something, you are building something. Okay, working on your life now. You know your worth now, Pisces. Okay, and that is too good. Like, this is what I'm expecting from you all. You have that power within you. You can manifest anything. Whatever you wish, it comes to the reality. So keep doing it. Keep working on your dreams. So now we will see what advice do we have for you from the handwritten advices. Pisces. Gifts. Maybe you will receive gifts in the month of September. What more do we have? See, ambitious, you will be becoming more ambitious. You will be working on your career, your finances, job, crying. Maybe you have crying. You will be crying your heart out and never looking back. Okay, at the same thing. Destined, or maybe this person is crying now because they don't have you. You both may be destined to meet. Okay, this is your destiny. What more do we have? Ego clashes. Maybe you both are into ego clashes or maybe will be into ego clashes in the month of September. So yeah, that is it. So if you like this reading, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video, Pisces.